Now we will solve some problems related to rule 1 and your time starts now. Let's check the answer. Answer 1 604, answer 2 minus 686, answer 3 minus 333 and the last one 950. Now this one for those who attempted all the question correctly. Rule 2. Two integers with unlike signs. When adding numbers of unlike signs, we have to find the difference between their numeral values and put the sign of the number that has a greater numerical value in the answer. For example, 4 plus minus 9. So here we will find the difference of 4 and 9, which is 5, and the answer will be having minus sign. Always remember one thing in such cases, that sign हमेशा बड़े वाले का. Now we will do few more examples. Example 1. Minus 952 and 628. Here also we will find the difference of two numbers and the answer will be having the sign as negative sign, because 952 is numerically greater than 628. And the second one is 457 and minus 873. Here also we will find the difference of 873 and 457, and since 873 is numerically greater than 457, so answer will be having minus sign. Here comes the problems for rule 2. All are requested to solve them. Let's check the answer. Answer 1 minus 198. Answer 2 104. Answer 3 80. And answer 4 minus 432. Well done, students.